What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes back with you for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. As always, if you like the content we're producing, if you like our product overview videos and range videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Leave us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think about our videos. Ask any questions. If we can answer them, we certainly will. If I don't know the answer, I'll go to the manufacturer and try to find that answer for you. In the studio with me today, and we are taking this out on the range, so stay tuned, or you can fast forward in the video and go directly to the range shots of this. But I want to go over the features and benefits of this. This was sent to me this week by Taurus. This is the Taurus TS9mm. This is their full-size 9mm handgun. Full-size 9mm, so it's rather large. It's not a compact carry 9mm. This is sort of a duty weapon, if you will. It's got a full-size grip on it. I really like the grip. Inside the package, you do have various types of back straps you can put on this handgun. One of the things I really love about it is the magazine. This is a Metgar magazine, which is a great magazine. 17 rounds, so you get 17 plus 1 round in the Taurus TS9mm. There's a load indicator right here on top of this handgun. And Taurus, you know, is notorious for making what I would call budget-friendly handguns. This is, I would probably compare this like to the full-size Smith & Wesson M&P if you're wanting a size comparison. This has got a 4-inch barrel on it, Novak style dovetail sights there on the back. I don't know if you can see those there, but you've got 2 dots here on the back, and you've got 1 big white dot there on the front. Really nice serrations on the slide, just like the way that looks and feels. You do have ambidextrous slide releases, one here, you've got one here, very easy to operate with your thumb. You do have ambidextrous magazine releases, so you can do it from the left or from the right. Some guys don't like that. Some guys tend to like the interchangeable mag release. You know, the ambi mag release for me doesn't bother me at all. It does come with 2 magazines inside the package, which is really, really nice. Taurus really hooks you up on the package. Now, there is the TH9mm and the TS9mm. The main difference, I think, in these is this is a single action only pistol. This is not a double action, single action like the TH series. This is a single action only, and I will say I've shot both of these guns. The trigger on this one is much, much better, in my opinion, than the other model that they manufacture, the TS9. I think it's probably because it's a single action style trigger. I just think you get a little better reset, a little nicer trigger pull on this. You do have that load indicator on top, which I don't think I've seen anything like that in a while. Usually those are on the back and not so much on the top of that. But really good feeling pistol. I enjoyed shooting this on the range. I was able to hit center mass like crazy. So let's head over to the range. Let's interrupt this video. Let's share with you the range video, and we'll be back momentarily. What's going on, guys? Here at the range today, shooting the Taurus TS9. This is what we're going to be running through here today. This is the Scorpio 115 grain 9mm full metal jacket. We're just got 50 rounds. We're going to put 50 rounds through it. We're going to see how it operates and how it shoots. The pistol did come with 2 magazines, so I'll go ahead and pre-loaded up both of these magazines. And let's see if we can get 17 rounds. I'm just going to shoot for center mass. If you've watched my videos, you know I don't claim to be the best shot in the world, but we're going to throw some lead down range here. Let's see how we do. Here we go. First 17 rounds in the Taurus TS9mm, going center mass. 17 rounds, slide lock back as it should. Looks like I got everything center mass on target, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I've got another 17 rounds loaded up here. First, this was right out of the box, by the way. I did not do any sort of cleaning or lubrication of this. Shot really, really well. Let's run another 17 rounds. Let's see what she does. Here we go. Did really, really well. I'm going to pull this target in, show you guys how we did. All right, guys, we're going to bring back in the target here. It's just from about 10 yards away. As you can see, Taurus did really, really well. I was pretty impressed with that. That's all round center mass. I'm shooting just a little bit to the right. Like I said, not too uncommon for me. Not the best shot in the world, but all in all, pretty impressed with this little Taurus TS9, and she did really well. There you have it, guys. The Taurus TS9mm shooting at the range, and a little overview of the product on the handgun here. Listen, it performs really, really well. On the website, it's got an MSRP of $449. I don't think you're going to wind up paying that much for this pistol. I think you're probably going to be less than $400 for this handgun, which in my opinion, I think it's a fabulous deal for this. This is a great gun. It's large enough. You can conceal carry this. Probably a little big for me as far as conceal carry goes, but if you're one of those guys that are used to carrying 1911s or Glock 19s or something like that, this handgun would fit your style really, really well. Hey, listen, I've enjoyed it. I think you will too. Remember, Taurus TS9mm, good bang for the buck, great shooter, right on spot, right out of the box. Guys, till next time, we'll talk to you soon.